Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. You know what? It's the time of year when we spend most of our time in the kitchen cooking and baking tasty goodies for our family, friends, neighbors, or anyone that needs a little cheer on the most wonderful time of the year. To bring warmth and sweetness to your days, in today's video, I am going to show you how to make a simple hot chocolate mix recipe that is so easy and delicious. You can have hot chocolate in less than it would take to hang a Christmas ornament on a 7-foot tree. Can't wait to show you how I make this, so join me in the kitchen and let's get started. In a large bowl, add 2 cups granulated sugar. Break the clumps of sugar if you have any with a whisk. 1 cup of cocoa powder. Try to get a very good quality cocoa powder. 2 tablespoons cornstarch. A half teaspoon salt. Mix until everything is incorporated. The hot cocoa mix is ready to use. I am going to place mine in a jar. I'll place a label on it, and whenever we want hot chocolate, the mix will be on the counter ready to enjoy. And this is easily doubled. Instead of 1 cup of cocoa powder, you may use 2 cups to 4 cups of sugar. So this is a very easy and delicious recipe for hot cocoa mix. You may use as much as you like of the hot chocolate mix for 8 ounces of water or milk. Both are delicious, but it will be richer with milk, especially if you use whole milk. You may enjoy this delicious hot chocolate with marshmallows or with a drop of peppermint extract, or as is with an almond biscotti or a vanilla scone. Make this homemade simple hot chocolate today. You are going to love it. Well guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment down below and let us know if you make this recipe and how it turns out. Give us a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed already, please do, so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.